me again. I'm a beginner in N-scale model railroads, and I've been experimenting with Kato, and I have a layout completed and some basic mountains and some acrylic paints I've been experimenting with. And I want to show you how I achieved stage one. This is going to be a series of pictures I've taken since I started building this, and I hope you can learn something from it. I'll put notes on them. Thanks for watching my video, and I appreciate it if you would give me a like and subscribe. See you next time. This is stage one. I ended up getting some wallboard compound and fiberglass tape to seal up the little gaps in the styrofoam incline. Well, I got everything taped on there, wired, wires coming out on this end, and I labeled all the wires to the tracks and switches and power and additional kind of a mess under here. All the ends are soldered and heat shrink, but just kind of use some heavy gauge duct tape, a little bit of shoe glue on the duct tape so the tape won't fall off. I think I'm ready to flip this over and lay some track. I've gone with 2 power supplies. Now I'm going to run a separate train on the inside track. Please follow me on YouTube and watch for stage 2.